Okay, hello everybody, it's Runescapefar. How you guys doing again? So I've created the more advanced version of the how to make a usable store software. So as you already can see, there's a slight difference here. So we got rid of our buttons down here and replaced them with a checkout button up here. So of course it'll still say that, so Stripes, Goonies to checkout. So we got our price here. Now if we have to go here and click on receipt, this is actually pretty cool because now it tells me the number of movies I rented, the days rented, and the total price. Which, that's surprisingly, we actually didn't learn that in my Visual Basic class. We were actually told not to do this, but me and my buddy working ahead, we already did it, and he actually appraised us for actually to get it to work. He said it would be too complicated to learn, and we wouldn't have enough time to learn it, so he was actually surprised I actually able to get it to work on my own. So we also have this now. It's called the view price. So one movie rental is $1.50, two's $3, three's $4.50. Rental price per day. So you kind of got that there. And then I included a help box, which I can see here. So in order to check out, you must have your name, one movie, yada yada. To check out, click the price. For additional help, click on this button. So what this does is it'll actually bring up this here, which an employee would then have to come and enter a verification number, which in this case is 1563978. And Brad is assist you. I'll change it, of course, again, grammar correction. I was trying to rush this through so I could get this done. So, and I forgot to make that box work. But basically, so these are the new advanced features. So let's take a look at how I did these. So first off, we got our menu strip here, which is just dragged from right here, drag it on here, you can instantly start typing in things. And then just you double click on them just like you would a button to bring it up here. So now looking at the code here, so what is new is so right here we have days rented. So this is for the printing. So when it prints out down here. So it'll tell you if you printed 1 day or 2 days. You don't want to set this to plus equals 1 or plus equals 2, because then every time you do it, it'll just keep on adding, instead of setting that as the actual value. So I really didn't do much different here. So scroll down here. This is where the things get fun at. So right down here, so this is how you set up for a print. So we got the receipt button here, so print preview diagram document and dialog 2. So this is what this is here. And yeah, that is a lot there. So we got the print font. So our print font is Arial 12. Heading font is Arial 14, font size bold. Line height, single print. Yeah. So there's a lot of dimming here. And then, so we got to set up the display headings. So these two here will print at the very bottom. So this will print first, which is print select item, and then by me. And then coming down here, so this is what will print out. So print line string equals movies rented, and then the count to string, then environment.new line. So this will basically create the enter or the next space down, so tell it to move down and then print out this. And then this here. So as an E graphics, drawing string, print font, brushes black, horizontal, vertical, locations, all that stuff. I had to read the book to know how to mess with that to alter or change this, because this is the basic generic template I've used for pretty much everything. And then, so now we got our about box here. Let's actually go ahead and fix that there. Me.close. Okay, so for the about box here, we have our button, which just opens up the employee validation, but basically I resized it And I made the back color red, so you know it's important. And then actually bringing up the employee validation, these are all individual buttons labeled 1 through 0, C for clear, and OK for OK to submit. Now if we bring up the VB here, so basically each button, so button 1 equals and equals 1. So you gotta put that and there. If not, it's just gonna enter every time you click a different button, it's just gonna add that one number there. It's not gonna do like it showed you before and continuously add them. So you have to do and for everything. And then if the match text box id.text equals this number, which is an 8-digit number, then it will do this. And we're going to change that to assisting you. Makes more sense. And then if you don't answer that one, then you'll get this error. Now, again, I used to be able to have this set up to where I could actually set this up to a database where it would have like one name will be like Brad and then his ID number. So if he types that one in, it will automatically come with that. And then this number here will link to this person. So whoever number you typed in would, so that way you didn't have to continuously do this. So that feature no longer works on Visual Studio's 2019. It does on Visual Basic 2010, and you need the Access database to work with this. But there is a way to do it on here. I just have to figure out how to now link files to other files, like Access files. I only know how to do it with text files with this new one. But overall, that is pretty much everything there that's new. This is, like I said, a more advanced version because now we have the receipt, give you the prices, the help. It's more user-friendly, eye-friendly, kind of. And I'm still trying to get this figured out to where we'll actually print out the name of the movies, but that's just having to do more research, and I'll get some more books for this so I can continue to teach you guys how to do cool things with Visual Basic 2009, Visual Studio, my bad, not Visual Basic, Visual Studio 2019. And I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe, leave comments, and as always, have a nice day. Live, love, and game on. Peace.